Well, now I'm self-managed already. I handle my management now, and
Ugly.
ah, ano yun? Yeah, and welcome to my world. I guess my world now is a new chapter in my life. And sa concert na to, I just wanna tell people the stories that I've been through, the stories that I want to tell them. And kasi it's gonna be a very personal, it's gonna be a very personal concert talaga. Kasi yun nga, as I mentioned earlier, kwentuhan talaga. And after the concert, I really do hope that when people leave Music Museum, they will understand more of what or who Jen Medela is. Hindi lang yung biriterong malakas ang boses. Ganon. So, there's more to what they only see on TV and hear on social media. So, doon nila magiging personal talaga.
So pwede ka ba mag-share ka sa amin na little bits of mangyayari sa concert? Like, ano ba yung mga childhood mo, kwento ng yung childhood? Pero kita na tanong. Bago ka naging Jen Medela, when you were younger, mga ilang taon ka ba mo na-discover na may talent ka in singing? Tapos ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay? Paano ka na-inspire kumanta, maging champion?
Well, yeah, actually, sa concert na to, I will be I really made sure that I would touch a part of my childhood na ipakita sa mga tao na parang ano ba yung childhood ni Jen Medela, how did he grow up. Kasi wala talagang ka-showbiz eh. I grew up in Iloilo, a very reserved family, and it was always school, house, church, school, house, yun lang. And the thought of me getting into showbiz was really non-existent. Wala talagang plano. Singing was just a hobby because I come from a musically inclined family. Everybody, we're all singers. We all sing. So parang no big deal sa amin. So it's just a hobby for everybody. Kung hindi kanta, may sumasayaw, may tumutugtog ng piano o gitara. So music is always part of the family. Kaya parang no big deal. Hindi namin inisip na maging career ito. So sa concert na to, it's going to be told through song kung paano, ano mga pinagdaanan ko growing up. Ayun.
And then, syempre Jen, at your age ngayon na 20-something. Wow.
26.
Oo.
No, I'm turning 47. Yes, I'm turning 47 this July.
Pero Jen, parang syempre maganda niya na daw kayo. Baka gusto niya kasi ng 46 lang siya. Oo, birthday niya.
Oh, happy birthday.
Ayun, pero yun kaya Jen, maraming tatanong, at your age ba, ang career mo pa rin ang iyong focus? Or you also think of having your family at the right time? Meron ka bang ideal age for marriage? Or anong mga plano mo sa iyong pagtanda?
Well, as of now kasi, yung as I mentioned kanina na 2023 was a year of a lot of changes. Na parang ang daming opportunities and ang daming doors na nabuksan for me. So, yeah, I think career will still be a priority. But hindi rin natin alam eh. Ako ayoko din kasing ipilit. I mean, things happen for a reason. Things happen at the right time. People arrive sa buhay mo at the right time. And some people even leave at the right time. So, just smile kayo. Ayun. But, ako, I go with the flow. I go with the flow now and take advantage of what's coming to my life right now. And I feel I'm just so blessed. Kaya ini-enjoy ko lahat.